Hello and welcome. Today we're delighted to show you how to make traditional green enchiladas. Friends, I want you guys to know that Cloud's being rude behind the scenes, okay? She always outs me, I'm gonna out her. She's being rude, but spring break, stop. I seasoned the chicken with salt and pepper, onion, garlic, and an Anaheim pepper. I boiled it for 30 minutes on a medium-low heat, and now we're gonna remove our onion, our garlic, our Anaheim peppers, and you're gonna save 1.5 cups of your chicken broth for our sauce. I'm gonna continue by shredding our chicken. Take your poblano peppers and you wanna make sure to roast them until they're nice and charred. Once you've roasted all your peppers, you're gonna place them somewhere where they can sweat nicely. I like to use this bowl, and I'm gonna keep them in here for about 6 minutes, and then we're gonna peel them, remove the seeds and the stems. To your pot of boiling water, you wanna add about 10 tomatillos and 2 serrano peppers. You can also use some jalapeños, or you can skip them if you don't want the spice. Continue to boil for 10 minutes until they're nice and soft. Friends, I want you guys to know that Cloud's being rude behind the scenes, okay? She always outs me, I'm gonna out her. She's being rude, but our tomatillos are nice and ready. They're soft, so we're just gonna place all of them in the blender.
Guys, and by rude is just that I told her about a specific situation where I was able to count exact amount of bobby
pins. It was
pins.
spring break, stop. Go ahead and place your chiles in the blender too. So in our blender, we have our tomatillos, our onions, our garlic, our serrano peppers. You wanna take your cilantro and you always wanna like break it in half just like this, okay? Gives you an easier blend. Add your roasted and peeled chiles and our chicken broth. I know you guys think I'm not gonna be using chicken bouillon today, but I'm gonna tell you right now, we are. We're gonna be using it. And now we're just gonna blend until smooth. And boom, done. Set your pan on a medium heat and add your sauce. Once you add your sauce, you want to add your chicken bouillon. Combine that well. Once you add your chicken bouillon, you want to continue to cook for 10 minutes on a low heat. After 10 minutes, you're going to see that your sauce is nice and thick, and what makes it nice and thick is not just the chiles, it's the tomatillo. So go ahead and place about 1.5 cups in a small bowl, and we're going to set this to the side. Add your oil to the pan, and today I'm using avocado oil. Place your tortilla in your hot oil, and you want to cook it for about 10 to 15 seconds on each side. And what this is going to help us do is prevent the crumbling from these really thin tortillas that I seem to be using today. And I'm just going to continue to do that with the remaining tortillas. Our chicken is nice and shredded, and one of the tips that I'm going to give you is to add some of the chicken broth in your chicken after you shred it to keep it from drying up. We have queso fresco, and we're ready to start assembling. Take your corn tortilla and dip it into the sauce. Add some chicken, a little sprinkle of queso fresco, roll it up. Once you're done assembling your enchiladas, you just want to pour some of your hot green salsa over it, just like that. Add your queso fresco and some crema fresca. And just like that, we have some delicious enchiladas. These are super easy to make, gets you in and out of the kitchen, and the whole family's gonna be really happy. But I'm gonna need somebody very special to say ah.